Alright, here's a recap to your assignment so that you will have a thorough understanding of your lesson. So here is your assignment. And these are the universal set here. Let's see. So in the universal set are all the numbers belong to set A, set B, set C, and the numbers outside of the three sets. So set A are the numbers inside the circle of A. So these are all the numbers right here. So you have the 9, the 10, 11, 1, 3, 4, 5, and 2. So you write it down in ascending order or from lowest to highest. Set B are the numbers belongs to B. So 11, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 12. Those are the elements of set B. The elements of set C are the numbers inside the circle of C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright. The universal sets are all these numbers, okay? All the numbers of all the three sets and the numbers outside of it. So you have the universal set are set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. You write it down in ascending order. And here is set A. The numbers inside the circle of A, right here. So you write it in ascending order. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, and 11, which is here. Okay. Okay, now let's go to set B. Are the numbers right here. You have 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, and 12, which is here. And the set C are the numbers that are inside the set C or the circle here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's here. So in your assignment number 1, you have A union B. So you combine the set A and set B. And if you see a common numbers, like here, the 3 and the 3, 4 and the 4, 5 and the 5, you write it down one time only. So you have from lowest to highest. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3. Write the 3 one time. Then the 4. Then the 5. 6. Then the 9. Then the 10. Then the 11. 11 and 11 here. But you write it only once. And the last is 12. So that's your answer. Okay. You combine all the numbers. Union. Now, A intersection C are the numbers that are common to set A and set C. So right here is the set A. You got 1. And there the set C, the common, right? You have 1 in C, and you have 1 in A, and you have 1 in C. 2, you have 2 here. You have 3, and you have 3 in here. You have 4 and 4. You have 5 and a 5, and that's it. So those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are your answers. The intersection, the common on set A and set C. Now you have number 3, A union B union C. So you union all the set A, set B, and set C. So if you look in the diagram right here, A combined with the B, I move it again, the B and the C. So all these numbers will be written except that the numbers outside. So 13 and 14 and 15. So you write it down 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So those are A union B union C. Right. Okay, let's see. There you go. So here is the number right here. Okay. The set of union, all sets that belongs to set A, set B, and set C. Now the intersection A intersection B intersection C are the numbers in the center right here. Right there, the 3, 4, and 5. Okay, those numbers 3, 4, and 5, it belongs to set A, set B, and set C. You cannot write down the 1 and 2 because this 2 is outside of B. The 11 here is outside of C. And the 6 here is outside of A. So they don't intersect. The only numbers that intersect on both three sets are 3, 4, and 5. So that's your answer. A intersection B intersection C. 3, 4, and 5. Now, number 5. Am I so fast? I hope you understand, huh, anak? So, alright. Let's see. I'm gonna make it slow. Make it slower so you will understand. Right here, A prime union B prime union C prime. That's how I read the underline on the top. Okay, so that means A prime are the set of elements or a set of numbers that doesn't belong to set A. Same thing with B prime, set of numbers that doesn't belong to set B. C prime, a set of numbers that doesn't belong to set C. So here's how you get this. Set A prime, cover the whole circle of A. My mouse right there. Okay, cover this whole circle, and what are left are, you get the 6, the 7, the 8, the 12, the 13, the 14, and the 15. So cover, you just have to cover the circle A prime. So the number that are left are A prime. Okay, the B prime, you cover the B, cover the whole circle of B. And what are the numbers that are left are 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, and 15. So that's it. That's what I wrote in here. The A prime, those are the number. If I cover the circle A, these are the numbers that are left. If I cover the circle B, these are the number that are left. So you union first. If you have 3 sets, if you're operating on 3 sets or you're working on 3 sets, you do the first 2 sets first. So union A prime and B prime. So combine the A prime and the B prime. Again, A primes are the numbers that doesn't belong to set A. So you cover the set A, and kung ano yung natira sa labas, yun yung A prime. Ganun din sa B prime. You cover the circle of B. At itong mga numbers na ito na 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, and 15. Those are B prime. Okay? If you cover this C, that's C prime. You cover that. The 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 belongs to C prime. That means it doesn't belong to set C. So that's called C prime. A prime are the set of numbers that doesn't belong to set A. Okay, if you cover the circle. Same thing with B. Again, I'm explaining it again. Repetition is the best. So B prime, cover the circle B, and you will have 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, and 15 as your elements of B prime. So let's go back to to the question. So if we combine A prime and B prime, right here, you will have to write it in ascending order again, from lowest to highest. So you have 1, 2, you have the 6, you have the 7, and the 7, they are common. Write it down one time. The 8 and the 8 are common. Write it down one time also. The next number is 9, then the 10. So you have here. Then the 12 on the set A prime. And then 13 on on both set. So you have to write it down one time. Same thing with 14 here. Write it down one time only. And the last number, 15 and 15 on set A prime and B prime. So you have to write down 15. So the set A prime union B prime are 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Alright. So that's the first that we work on. Then we combine again, union C prime. You combine this to your C prime. So if we cover our C, the set C, these are the numbers that are left outside of set C. You combine it to your answer from here, from the first two set. So you combine A prime union B prime and union C prime. So here are the last two sets we are working on this one. You combine. So we'll start from 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, then the 9. We have the 9 also here, so we have to write it down one time. Okay, I write it down here. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, then 9. Then the next number is 10, and we have 10 also here. Write it down one time only. Next is 11. Don't forget, there's an 11 in set C prime. So write it down. Next is 12. 12 in both A prime union B prime and C prime. So you have the 12 and the 12. So write down the 12 one time. The 13 and the 13. You write it down one time. 14 and the 14. Write it down one time. 15 and the 15. Write it down one time. Okay, so your answer will be set A prime union B prime union C prime are 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So work 2 sets at a time, alright? So the first 2 sets that we work on is A prime and a B prime. So we combine these 2 sets, and this is the answer. This is the answer, the one that I was pointing on. Okay, so these are the answer. Then we combine this again to our C prime, and then you got your final answer right here. Okay, do you understand? I hope you understand. Okay, gusto mo Tagalogin ko, anak? So isulat mo lahat ng element ng A prime at B prime right there. That's ito yon. Ito na yon. Okay? And then idagdag mo yung C prime dito. So idagdag mo yan, and then ito yung final answer mo. Okay? Got it? All right. So number 6, let's go to A prime intersection B prime intersection C prime. So we got the A prime, the set of elements, the set of numbers of elements or that doesn't belong to set A. So if we go again right here, if we cover the whole circle of A,